Ang tanong, makakautang pa ba kay Kasyalo kapag na-OD ng one day or ay a-approve pa ba? Pag-usapan natin yan sa video na to. Hi everyone, this is Ate Red and I talk about online loan platforms in this channel with financial literacy in mind. This video is not sponsored and it is based on my personal experience as someone who's been using Kasyalo for a long time now. Ikaw yung nagtanong, shout out sa'yo, comment below. Sorry, hindi ko na nakuha yung screenshot. Tanong, makakautang pa rin ba or ma-approve pa rin ba kung na-OD or overdue ng one day sa kay Kasyalo? Well, unfortunately, I have no definite answer. It depends on, it varies from one individual to another eh. Kasi it depends on the system. It depends on their credit evaluation, risk evaluation, credit assessment, which can be different from one individual to another. Yung pagja-judge ni system sa'yo takes into consideration many factors. Kasama na dyan yung credit history mo. Credit history po talaga yung labanan. And it's not just within the Kasyalo app ha. Because Kasyalo is a legit loan platform, SEC registered, reporting sa CIC, submitting sa CIC or Credit Information Corporation. So kung ano yung naging behavior natin as a borrower, paano natin hinandle yung utang natin dito sa kay Kasyalo, marireflect po yan sa ating credit history, which nagiging basihan din ng ibang loan apps kung para ma-judge tayo kung karapat-dapat tayong pautangin o hindi. And on the other hand, itong si Kasyalo is also an accessing entity sa CIC. So, nakikita din niya kung kamusta tayo sa ibang mga utang natin sa mga online loan platforms and other lending institutions that are legit. So, bottom line is, kailangan po talagang inaalagaan yung credit history. Ito po yung labanan, be. Dapat po responsible po, borrowers po tayo para maiwasan po yung pagiging reject. Of course, hindi ko naman sinasabi na forever approve ka na kung talagang super good payer ka ha. Alam nyo, nakukonsider din kung patong-patong yung utang nyo kahit na always on time kayo. Pero max out naman lahat. Sinagad mo, patong-patong, masyado ka na maraming utang. Isa rin yung sa reason kung bakit ka nare-reject eh. So let's make sure na lang na balanse po yung pag-handle natin ng ating mga kautangan. At hanggat sa maaari, iwasan pong ma-overdue. Pero may iba naman po na yung na-OD, nakaka-reloan ulit, or hintay muna ng certain period of time bago makautang ulit. Pero may iba na hindi naman na-OD pero nare-reject because yun nga, na-judge tayo based sa ating credit worthiness. So, parang network kasi sila eh. Hindi lang yung pagiging good payer sa isang app, yung batayan na forever tayo makaka-loan sa isang app. Dapat good payer din tayo sa lahat ng mga apps at dapat na budget po natin or natatrack natin ng yung ating mga utangan. Anyways, for those of you who do not know Kasyalo is legit. You just need one valid ID para mag-apply. Nada-download po siya both sa Google Play Store and sa iOS and nagpapahiram po siya ng up to 13,000 pesos na maaaring matanggap in 2 minutes kapag approve ka. Simple lang naman yung application process for as long as walang sablay yung records mo as a borrower. So yun guys dapat alagaan po natin ang ating credit worthiness. And until my next short vlog, I'll see you next time.